We start with forward chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And now we're looking at this one. We want to see what's this, whether this is a correction for the next move or we get this one. Okay. And whoever gives, since if you refer to our analysis, we have been looking for buy within this range. Whoever get is still get the trade within this move, and if it's still they're keeping the trade, at least book some profit, or they can consider to take out the trade in the profit. Then from here we look for the new trade setup. Because of May we get this one. I explain based on, if you refer to the Bitcoin chart, since the Bitcoin tag all-time new high. Okay, and at this point, as long as we can see the Bitcoin price is moving, the rest of the market almost following. That's why we, if the, because I explained for the Bitcoin, as long as we get the new all-time high, is turn to a daily correction. Because if it's happened for the Bitcoin, for the XRP will happen, mostly we get this drop. That's why we prefer to take out the trade in the profit or book some profit at least. Okay, no break even. At least we have to get some profit. And if we refer to the daily chart, I explained my last analysis, I mentioned we want to see breakout of the previous top to confirm for continuation, because we are within this correction. And whatever we get here after the next move, we can expect the next drop. That's why I mentioned, if we don't see the continuation for the Bitcoin, we don't see the breakout of the 125K for the Bitcoin by end of the day, because the price tag then start drop, then maybe we can expect this drop. That's why we have to book or keep our profit within this move. All right. Then if it's with this one happen, we can get a really good trade setup from there. But we prefer the price continue from here to see the breakout of the previous top, because we get the trade within this one. And even we can get we can look for the new trade setup. And we are mostly, we want to see the breakout of the 3.67 or all-time high for the XRP, because after that we are looking for 4.2. We want to see the breakout of the 4.2 at least. Okay, because the 4.2 is not the target. We want our target is somewhere around 6. But the 4.2 can confirm for continuation. This is what I explained last time. And if we move to forward chart, right now I'm looking at this, whether the price can continue from here. If I see the continuation, any opportunity for buy for me, I will take it. And even if we get this drop, then we have to consider how deep it can go. Okay, that's mean right now, based on lower chart, I'm looking for buy from here. But we have to be quite careful. Any buy as a reversal, mostly the trade setup will be based on 15 minutes. We have to see the continuation as a sharp following a breakout of the 3.1. That's why whoever wants to look for buy within this range, within this zone, as long as the price didn't take the previous low, which is this one, they have to be quite careful. And mostly we have to look for trade based on a lower time frame as a flag. Okay, then if we move to 1 hour chart, similar explanation. We don't see any trade setup. Anyway, we follow the chart as I mentioned, what I'm looking for. But whoever wants to look for buy from here, they should be quite careful because of this one. That's why I don't see any trade setup, and I'm not recommending any trade, but I'm telling that if I get the opportunity for buy within this range based on 15 minutes, for me, I will take it. But if I see it's not moving in my direction, then I will take out the trade. Because if we get any opportunity for buy from here, then from based on daily chart, every time the price break the previous stop, we start to move our stop loss. Anyway, we follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.